Hi and welcome to another Blender how-to video. Today we're going to show you how to um, duplicate objects with linking and without linking. So I'm going to show you first how to do so without linking cube. So we're going to add a material to it, right? Oh, sorry, go to material properties here, and we're going to choose blue, and we're in the material preview mode so you can see it. All right, so it would just go Shift D. We're going to copy it, and so whatever happens to this one happens to the other one, but only based on the material. So if we change the material on this one, because it's a duplicate, they're linked, they'll just have the same one. If we want to remove the connection based on material, just take the material off and add a new one. Let's say I added this one. Nothing will happen to the original one because they're not linked. So now let's go back to object mode, and we're going to select this one. So we're going to go Shift D, all right, and we're going to go here to the duplicate objects properties, and we're going to do link. Clicking this will make sure that whatever happens to this one or this one will happen to the other one based on the object geometry or resolution or whatever. Like if you change the color, yeah, it will be linked because again, it's a duplicate, but only based on material. Because we did linked, it's based on the object. So, all right, go to edit mode, and so we're going to create a face here. So whatever we do to this one, it's going to happen to the other one. And this can be useful depending on what you're building. But yeah, this is how you can duplicate objects, how to link either just the materials or link the object so that whatever happens to one happens to the other one. And you can have as many as you want as well. So we're going to duplicate this again. All right, and we're going to do some edits to this one. All right. Oh, I forgot to click the link. All right, so Shift D. Oh, let's delete this one, sorry. Oh, all right, Shift D, linked. So now if we edit this one, it should make changes to all those two that are linked. Yep, sweet. Yep, that's pretty much it here.